Your good name?
Ian. And my name is Ian, and this is Tracy, my wife.
Hi.
You're from
England.
England. So how you come to know about this event?
We came to know about this event because a friend of ours who lives on Talpona, we've known her for many years, and she said this year you should go to this festival. So we've come.
So you're first time for this festival, but not for Goa.
Yes, that's
we've been
right.
coming to Goa
Yeah.
for 15 years.
So how's the experience?
It's brilliant. It's wonderful.
Very interesting.
Very, very interesting for the school children and all the culture. It's brilliant. Really enjoyable.
So you enjoyed it?
Yeah,
Yes,
it's really
great.
good.
Very interesting.
Yeah, and
It's nice to see all of the ladies dancing and all of their beautiful saris.
So you loved Goa?
Yes,
we
much.
very much so. Yeah,
Very
we've been
much.
here for many, many years.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we'll come back for many more.
Yeah, every year for 15 years.
Thank you.
No, thank you.
Thank you very much.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.